and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hey, it's Trevor here and welcome to the Meditation PLR Pack.
Begin by taking a deep breath and hold it for 5 seconds.
This is a huge collection of guided meditation audio tracks with PLR rights. So with this, there are so many things that you can do to make money online.
Mindfulness practice means feeling how you feel instead of avoiding or shoving down pain.
Now, you might decide that you want to create your own meditation channel or your own meditation podcast. You might want to use these audio tracks to help others, or you might actually want to start a business in the self-help and meditation niche. Of course, with PLR rights, that means that you can sell these and keep every single penny that you make. Now, these audio tracks are 5 to 10 minutes long each, and you're getting 50 of them. They're professional quality, guided meditation, which is extremely popular. And with the PLR rights, it's like this is your own product. So you can do whatever you want to earn money with these. You can rename them, package them, bundle them, whatever you choose, you can do it.
Find a quiet space and close your eyes.
Now also, what we're going to do is give you a very special bonus here, and that is to give you the rights to transfer the resale rights to your clients and your customers. This can 10x the amount of money that you make. It really is like this is your own product in an instant. So you get 50 of these guided meditation audio tracks for PLR rights and transfer of resale rights. In other words, you can sell them to somebody else and then they can sell them themselves. That's massive, very, very powerful, and this is going to be incredibly popular. Now, all of these files come in the right formats of MP3 and WAV, so you've got no problems with compatibility, and you can sell these all over the internet, all over the world. There's never been anything like this released before. You can dominate the meditation niche in a heartbeat. Now, this is the biggest collection of done-for-you guided meditation audio tracks ever released in our industry, and they're all created from scratch, brand new for you. So we know that the secret to making money online is having something to sell. Now, if you are the vendor, if you are the person that owns the product, then you get 100% of everything you make. Whereas if you're an affiliate, you might get 50%, you might get 20%. But as a vendor, you can get 100% of everything that you make and keep every single penny. That's what makes this offer so exciting. And you get 50 of them and 5 to 10 minutes long each. This is a massive, massive package. And at the price that we're selling it during this launch period, we're almost giving it away. Honestly, if you want to make money online, then this is the right way to go. Meditation is incredibly popular. Just think about the podcast that you could do, the channel that you could build, or the fact that you could just sell these yourself and sell the resale rights as well and 10x your money. So look, this is going to be at this low price just for the launch period, and then it's going to be going up. So why don't you go ahead now, click on the add to cart button below this video, lock this in, get those 50 guided meditation tracks and start making money. I'll see you on the other side. All the best.